everyone, thanks for tuning in to my 2016 rifle hunt. On this hunt we headed West River in South Dakota with an any deer tag, meaning that I had a choice of a mule deer or a whitetail. We had seen a magnum mule deer all fall that we were chasing, that we were after. However, we did have a board with our hit list of deer. Now the standard 8, as we call him, was one of the hit list deer. Now what I like so much about the standard 8 is he's just your regular, nice wide old deer 8, and the trail camera pictures we had of him, he was absolutely gorgeous. So I was so fixated on that doe on that ridge below us that I didn't even see that the buck was on the next ridge. So I had to quickly pick up my 308 and bipod and move over and readjust a little bit further away.
Turkeys getting gone. Sweet.
I was fine until God, these stupid bibs, you know?
I'm sweating.
I was actually really, I was fine until I had to sit down. These bibs are so hard to sit in, so I'm flipping around and gosh, why can't I get this thing to?
Just push the button.
Oh, I was pushing around. Whew, I definitely have the shakes versus does. Is that
That's a bunch of mule deer.
Probably the Magnum muley.
Probably that big muley.
It is?
I don't see him there.
Okay, so frame of reference.
There he is. Piled up down there.
Can't see antlers from here. That's not good.
I see antler.
Oh, you got the.
Nice. It's gonna be tough to get him out of here.
Definitely gonna have to take off some clothes if that's the case.
He's real nice. He done. Is he as big as we thought he is? Yeah.
So the deer was shot at 225 yards over to the next ridge. And Ben wasn't lying. That was the hardest deer drag I think we've ever done in our entire life. He's sitting right over here and his body was not reflected in the taxidermy whatsoever. You'll see a picture of it to follow of a comparison to Winston and I to the deer. But anyway, we were able to get him out of there, take some amazing pictures, and that was my 2016 West River rifle hunt. Please subscribe to my channel and hopefully we'll be able to get some more awesome footage of all of our 2020 hunts.